schedule and I'll be speaking on this particular topic. That time it is okay. You have already practiced in your home and now when you are opening your back with another video. Now in this video, I'm going to talk about that why topic is important. When you are talking about English speaking and all of these things, then topic is most important because topic gives you the prosperity, topic gives you the way that how you are going to express. And when you are discussing different topics, your vocabulary is expanding because you are not stuck in a one particular general topic. Because what is happening, like general talk we all of us can make, because if you are speaking for, let's say for example, 3 months, 4 months, you are able to speak for the general topics like what is your name, what do you do, and the random things that you are doing in your daily life. But when you are actually talking about the topics will give you the clarity, topics will give you the knowledge, right? So how to speak on any topic? There are two types of topic that is there, that is unknown topic and known topic. See, suppose you have taken the English speaking class and you have scheduled that I will be speaking with my teacher for like let's say for example half an hour or 1 hour depending on the schedule, and I'll be speaking on this particular topic. That time it is okay. You have already practiced in your home and now when you are opening your video or when you are going to the class, you are able to speak that known topic. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the unknown topic that is difficult. While conversation, suppose your teacher told you that today we are going to discuss about this particular topic. Would you actually like to participate? You should say yes. Now I will tell you that how you can participate in those particular matter. Now let's say for example, you have unknown topic that was given by your teacher or that was given by your partner to whom you are actually speaking right now. In that case, what you can do? First of all, if it is unknown topic, think in your native language. Suppose your native language, in my case, it is Bengali. So while I am talking with opposite person, I will be thinking that if I know this topic in my native language or not. Suppose that, let's say for example, the topic is that like importance of studies or importance of education. Whether I am able to speak this particular topic in native language or not. So you can think in this way that whether you are able to speak in your native language or not. If the answer is yes, go ahead with this topic, because somewhere or other you know the topic. Now you have to express it in your English language, right? Second thing is that take some time. No boundary should be there that you have to immediately speak about that particular topic. So take some time, and when you are taking some time, then definitely you are going to give the best outcome that is actually going to help you in terms of speaking particular topic. Third thing that you have to do, that is when you are taking some time, so that is okay, right? And also you can actually give the chance to the opposite person. Even if you do not know anything about the topic, even the first two step is failed, so you do not know in your native language also, then you can give the opposite person the chance, that sir or ma'am or whoever so is your partner in that particular conversation, give them the opportunity to speak. Listen properly what they are saying. You will be able to find some points on that, and based on that you can present after they are finishing their particular talk. Fourth thing that is most important. Let's say for example, you are not able to do all of these things in the third steps that I have talked about. So three steps are failed. Now the last step that is remaining for you, that is my friend, that is you have to say to the opposite person that please could you change the topic. When you will say that could you change the topic, they will be understanding that okay, this topic might be not relevant for him, might be he do not know anything about that particular topic. So that's why there is no harm. You will not be disrespected for that particular matter, that if you are saying that change the topic. So politely say that change the topic, opposite person will understand. It many times happen. I do say to the people also, if people is giving me the topic I do not know, I am not able to speak that, I do simply say that please change the topic, give me another topic, I will give my best. So these are the 4 steps. If you do follow, my friend, trust me, you will see that overall your progress will be happening and you will be getting the better result, and that's my promise, because I have actually used this proven method and definitely that had helped me a lot. If you think that this video is actually adding some value in your life and actually helping you in a different way and helping you to the journey of your English speaking, then definitely you can like this particular challenge and like this particular video and actually subscribe this. And for more videos, follow my shorts also that I'm making these days. And maybe if you say any improvement that I have to make sure that you are speaking in your comment section also. Thanks for watching. I'll coming with another video.